Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vegan collagen eye serum. Gently dab a pea-sized amount around the orbital bone, avoiding eyelids and lashes. Use your ring finger to tap the product in until barely visible. Follow with SPF in the morning and a nourishing moisturizer at night. Consistent use yields smoother, hydrated skin and helps reduce the look of fine lines over time. Start with a gentle cleanser that removes all traces of makeup without stripping natural oils. Pat the area dry gently, never rub, to protect delicate skin. If you have oily buildup, use a light toner sparingly before serum. Allow skin to fully dry so the serum can penetrate effectively. This prep step makes the serum work better and reduces the chance of irritation or product migration. Dispense a pea-sized amount and dot it in 3 spots under each eye for even coverage. Use your ring finger to tap the serum in with gentle upward motions toward the temples. Avoid tugging or heavy pressure and skip the lash line to prevent migration. Give the serum 1 to 2 minutes to absorb before applying moisturizer or makeup. Regular, gentle application helps maintain hydration and supports skin elasticity around the eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.